guys, welcome back with another video unboxing. As you can see, it's a GoPro camera. Now we will be unboxing it for you guys. Stick it into my hands as usual. Now, there's a lot of sellotape. Let's see how we can open this. Oh, also, this is not a brand new item, ladies and gentlemen. So it's a used item that I bought from eBay. Put that there. Get into the main box. Package after package. Whoops, upside down. Let's see what we have here. I think that's the camera. This is the wire. USB-C, we're not going to use that anyway. Low wires. It's first time using a GoPro, so I don't even know what all these are. Got no clue what this is. Different holders, different accessories, should we say. There's that, there's this. What's this? Loads of different accessories. Got no clue what these are. And that's it. The case down. Seeing all this, we can put all them back there. We'll check what all that is later on. Let's get to the camera out. As you can see, the GoPro, it has a small screen. It's a GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition. It's waterproof till 10 meters below water. You don't need a case. Here's the lens, the back, and everything. Let's put that there for now. And also we get 2 batteries that cover the GoPro. So it will take you at least 1 day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share.